In the modern world of property management, preparing an RFP, a request for proposal, for commercial building maintenance is far more than a search for the lowest bidder. It is a defining moment that sets the tone for the health, safety, and satisfaction of everyone who works within those walls. While cost control remains a priority, the savvy building manager or owner knows that the real value lies in dependability, long-term cleanliness, and now more than ever, environmental health. In this light, the RFP is not simply a formality, it is the strategic cornerstone of a responsible facilities operation. As America becomes more health-conscious, especially under initiatives like Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s Make America Healthy Again, the conversation has shifted. Cleanliness is no longer just about sparkle and shine. It's about reducing exposure to toxic substances, improving indoor air quality, IAQ, and creating workspaces that support human well-being. This shift in mindset must be reflected in how commercial maintenance contracts are written and awarded. Over the past 2 decades, many janitorial companies have driven down costs by cutting corners. They dilute products, rotate staff frequently with little training, and use misleading terms like green and eco-friendly that are more marketing than substance. While their bids may look attractive on paper, the long-term costs come in the form of diminished worker productivity, increased sick days, and subtle but persistent health impacts. The RFP must become a filter that separates the superficial from the substantive. Central to the RFP should be a strict requirement for a certified green and healthy cleaning service. This isn't just a preference, it should be a non-negotiable clause. The foundation of a healthy building lies in its indoor air quality, which can be severely compromised by the products and processes used during daily maintenance. Most commercial buildings are closed systems. They receive cleaning products, sanitizers, pesticides, and fragrance sprays year after year. However, what goes in rarely comes out. The result is a toxic bioload, a buildup of chemicals and residues that linger in the air and surfaces, posing both short and long-term risks. Enter the Green Clean Institute, GCI. GCI is a leader in the certification of both green cleaning products and the professionals who use them. An RFP that requires GCI certification ensures that any vendor is not only using products that meet stringent environmental and health standards, but is also training its staff in real science-based practices. It is not enough to swap out a few harsh chemicals for milder alternatives. Workers must understand the principles of cross-contamination, the importance of microfiber systems, and the correct use of dilution systems. Certification verifies this level of competency. When drafting an RFP, clarity and precision are essential. The document should articulate 1. Scope of work. Define all tasks to be performed daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Be specific, especially for high-touch and high-traffic areas. 2. IAQ focus. State the importance of IAQ and require documentation of how the vendor will monitor and maintain air quality. This may include HEPA filter vacuum use, low VOC products, and non-toxic disinfectants. 3. Green certification. Mandate that the cleaning service be certified by the Green Clean Institute. Require proof of certification for both the company and a minimum percentage of their staff. 4. Product transparency. Demand a list of all cleaning products to be used, along with safety data sheets, SDS, and third-party certifications verifying they meet Green Seal, EPA Safer Choice, or GCI Green Product Review and certification. 5. Staff training. Require ongoing staff training programs with documented outcomes. The RFP should request the provider's training syllabus and frequency of employee evaluations. 6. Inspection and reporting. As the old saying goes, people don't always do what you expect, but what you inspect. Build into the RFP a schedule for regular performance reviews, with penalties for non-compliance and incentives for consistent excellence. 7. Communication and flexibility. The chosen service should be responsive and able to adapt to tenant needs, special events, and emergency cleanups with minimal delay. It is essential that prospective vendors understand the building's mission to provide a safe, healthy, and productive space. Cleaning is not an afterthought. It is a frontline defense against illness, absenteeism, and even turnover. A sick building makes for sick people. A clean, truly green building becomes a source of pride. Some decision-makers might worry that these standards will raise costs. While the price per month might be slightly higher, the return on investment is vast. Healthier tenants, fewer complaints, lower absenteeism, and a more loyal janitorial workforce. Additionally, many insurers and regulatory bodies now recognize the value of healthier building practices, offering incentives or recognition for facilities that go above and beyond. The power of an RFP lies in its ability to frame the conversation. When you demand quality and accountability from the outset, you attract service providers who are capable of delivering real value. You weed out the token gestures and make room for those who are committed to genuine health and sustainability. In the end, a cleaning service is not just sweeping floors or emptying trash. They are stewards of the indoor environment. They touch every room, every surface, and influence the health of every occupant. Through a well-prepared RFP grounded in green principles and certified standards, you don't just hire a contractor, you secure a healthier future for your building and everyone in it. Make no mistake, the RFP is your opportunity to lead. Choose to lead wisely. Choose green. Choose health. Choose the future. Contact the Green Clean Institute if you would like our free green cleaning clause to add to your RFP or for a review of your FRP. Thanks for listening.